Hello, croeso i'r venture. Welcome to the venture. You join me here in the nature. I didn't come in here yesterday. One, because I didn't want to sort of see all the play evidence that was going on. Yo, bore da, good morning, John Hughes. Nice to have you with us. You're back to your usual standing. The reason I didn't start in here yesterday was because obviously the playground was closed last night, so we wouldn't have had any new play evidence. But the main reason I'm in here today is to show you some of the aftermath of Ophelia, this ex-hurricane that struck Wales yesterday. So let's have a look. All of this. There's quite a few downed branches here, and I'm sure this is absolutely nothing in comparison to other areas of Wales and the other countries in the United Kingdom. But there we go, we have some drama in the nature area. But most importantly, and what I'm here to look at, is some play evidence. And I've got a terrific bit of play evidence right in front of me. So if I turn this round, we've got a new den. I've literally just walked over to this. So these are some climbing walls. I'm not sure where they've come from. Brilliant bit of kit. But they've been used, this could be, I suppose, as a climbing wall, maybe to just climb up, but it looks like a den. We've got some plastic sheeting here. Oh, wow! Oh god, look at this! So we've got some soft play. You can proper chill out in here. Hang on, I'm gonna try this out. Yeah, this is pretty nifty. Nice view. Bit of nature. Turn this round so you can see what I see. This is alright. This is good. Nice bit of shelter. And very craftily put together. So, hats off. Oh, I've done it too many times. Hats off to the creators of this masterpiece. I don't want to leave. But if I stay in here, I'll have nothing else to talk about. So, time to move on. But this is brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to give you another look from the outside. So let's turn this round. Oh, come on. My chubby thumb again today. So yeah, there we go. Climbing wall, nice bit of play evidence to start with. Whilst I'm just walking over to the treehouse, today is International Day of Observance for... Oh, I forgot. You know, I had all this wording in my head until I pressed record to go live. But the eradication of poverty, that's it. International Day of Observance for the eradication of poverty. Considering we have some of the highest levels of deprivation in Wales, especially in the north, this is something that we should be particularly aware of. But unfortunately, I'm afraid we're not. But today, the idea of observing today is to raise those voices, give a mouthpiece to those voices. So if there's anything that you think that we can do to address poverty, let us know. But I think that right in the heart of what we do, play is part of that process, or part of the healing and dealing process of children and young people, is that no matter what is going on at home, that they have a space that they can call theirs, and they can act out and learn what it is being a human is, and surviving in this condition that we call life on Earth. Anyway, enough of that philosophical stuff. Let's turn this around because there's some absolutely terrific play evidence here. We'll start off over at the tree. Nice and simple. Nice beam coming across here. But it extends all over here. There's been some brilliant building and creating going on here. I'm actually going to try and go up the tree to give you a bird's eye view. Alright, if I fall, remember 101. It's got two balance beams there that have been built. And we've got these MDF boards here that have been put together as a little bit of a platform, and this is all still under development, so I'll try not to disturb it. Ooh, nearly went. I'll try not to disturb it, and hopefully today, when the playground opens again, all of that will carry on. So fingers crossed. Now to get out of the tree. Here we go. I'm going to jump down. Don't think I'm quite at the stage where I can get involved in Peter's free running videos. If you can see there's a mat. I think that's also probably something to do with some free running that's been going on site. As I mentioned in the other videos, these bike tracks are now getting used again for bikes, which is brilliant. So perhaps we can look at bolstering them, maybe putting some more earth around them so that they're a bit better. But let's go up into the treehouse, see what's going on up here. So last time all of this was covered over. A bit of that roof remains. But we've got some seats. And these boards have come down. To be fair, those boards have probably come down in the wind. But perhaps they'll be fixed today. So, let's carry on. As you can imagine, there's lots of debris in the nature from Storm Ophelia yesterday, ex-hurricane. I just noticed this new path here. So this cuts across, let me turn around. You'd normally carry on there to the big tree house, but this new path has appeared, cutting across to the platform here. That wasn't there before. Same old stuff going on in the big tree house. Be sure to say hello, by the way, everybody. Don't be shy. Because otherwise I don't know who's watching. You just appear as numbers on the screen. Be sure to say hello. If I turn you round, welcome to the sandpit, which is quite clear. But there's a reason. And if you weren't watching yesterday, that reason is this. We have a wonderful obstacle course that's appeared. Almost like some sort of military exercise. So I'm not sure where you start, whether it's there or there. But we have this... oh, butterfly. I don't know if I caught him then. But yeah, you start over here and do this. I didn't quite get this the other day, but... oh, oh my god. Yeah, I think that's enough of that. That'll wake me up. But yeah, that's sort of state of play. If you look over here at the slide, you can actually see where the wind has moulded the sand yesterday. All of the sand looks really smooth. It's not been walked on. We've even got a bit of a sandbank going up there. Some more play evidence, or evidence certainly of where people have been going. If I run up here like Challenge Annika. Turn this round. So this has been here quite a while now, this bench. We moved it from over there in the nature underneath the big treehouse. I've moved it there as a point of access onto the structures. And this little wearing away of grass tells me that that is getting used. So I think that's probably about it. I'm going to wander over to the fire pit, see what's going on over there. But that's the state of play at the venture. Today, all of our staff team and a couple of people from other organisations, we're up in the big meeting room and we're having a reframing behaviour workshop. And that's just training all geared around dealing with challenging behaviour and just learning how to cope with them and how to maybe reframe what's going on to rectify the problem. So let's turn this around and have a look at the fire pit. Oh, I think we've had a fire. That looks neatly raked out. It's really strange actually that all this sand is really smooth. If you look there, the fire pit's really smooth as well. It's almost as if it's been tidied up. But it's not. That's the wind from yesterday. So every cloud has a silver lining. There is positives. That's the state of play on the venture. Diolch am gwylio. I think that's right. I probably said that wrong, but thanks for watching. I'm going to stop nicking somebody else's catchphrase, because that's Peter's. And I'll say, play hard. Not sure what that is in Welsh. I need to come up with a catchphrase. Any ideas for a catchphrase? Let me know. But that's the state of play here on the venture. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you soon. Ta-ta everyone.